You must have heard the saying, water, water everywhere and not a single drop to drink. But I would like to say the opposite. Water, water everywhere, so you have to drink enough water, balanced amount of water to remain healthy and fit. You know that water is found everywhere. It is found on the land masses. It is found in the rivers, streams, lakes, oceans. Water is found on the ice-capped mountains, and water is found in the cells of human beings. The requirement of water in human beings depends upon the geographic location, your body mass index, your physical activity. So water is required by the human body and human cells. Remember that when a baby is born, his 75% of the body weight is water, and by the first birthday he or she celebrates, the water content in the body of a first-year-old is 65%. And in general, the normal human beings have 60% of water as their body weight. Hello, welcome to Dr. Akin Clicks, and I am Dr. Akin. Today I am going to tell you why we need water. What is the amount of water a human being has to drink, and what is balanced water, and what is normal hydration or balanced intake of water, what is overhydration. So be with me till the end of this video. I am going to tell you all these in detail. You know that the water, that is H2O, works to cushion and lubricate our joints. It provides nourishment to our brain and spinal cord and helps in maintaining the body temperature. The heart and brain contains 75% of them as water, while the bone, which we think that it is dry, contains 31% water, and the lung contains 81% water. Now you may think that if we are made out of water and water is everywhere, we are surrounded by water, then why should we drink plenty of water? This is because for normal functioning of the body we need water, and during our talking, during our breathing, and in the form of urine, in the form of sweat, in the form of bowel movements, every day we lose around 2 to 3 liters of water. Therefore, we need to replace the loss of fluid, loss of water from our body. Basically, we need to compensate the fluid loss from the body so that our body will remain normal. Our body will function optimally, even though we may lose fluid, but that fluid has to be replaced or compensated. So we have to maintain balanced water level in the body. We have to prevent from dehydration, and we also have to avoid overhydration. What happens when there is dehydration in your body? When the water level of your body is reduced. When dehydration occurs, the brain's hypothalamus signals the release of antidiuretic hormone. When the antidiuretic hormone reaches the kidney, it creates a special channels known as aquaporin. Then the blood is enabled to retain more water and absorb more water. And when more water is retained by the body, by the kidneys, then the urine becomes concentrated. Then you will find the urine as dark colored when there is dehydration of your body. When there is dehydration, remember that your body energy will be less, your mood will drop, your concentration will drop, your blood pressure also will drop, and in the long run, when there is further dehydration, your cognitive impairment will set in. And when there is dehydration, your brain takes more energy for the same work that is to be done by the normal brain when there is dehydration. And because of dehydration, there might be setting in of shrinkage of your brain for time being. So remember to always remain hydrated and properly hydrated. Now what happens when there is overhydration? When you drink lots of fluid, when you drink lots of water than required in a very short period of time. Overhydration mostly occurs in sportsperson, in athletes, because in a very short period of time they consume lots of fluids and lots of water. Remember that maintaining water level at extreme condition is a very complicated process. Therefore, they become overhydrated and they suffer from overhydration. What happens when there is overhydration of the body? When there is overhydration of the body, the sodium enters the cell and the cell swells. Therefore, there is hyponatremia. The brain stops releasing antidiuretic hormone and sodium in the body becomes less because of the dilution. And in severe cases of overhydration, the kidneys are unable to regulate this overhydration. Therefore, your urine becomes diluted. And this overhydration leads to water intoxication. Because of the water intoxication or overhydration, you will have headache, nausea, vomiting, and in extreme cases you might have seizures, and even in some extreme cases you may die. Now the question is, how much amount of water an individual has to drink? The answer is that the amount of water that an individual has to drink depends upon your geographic location, depends upon your body mass index, and depends upon your physical activity that you are doing. In general, males need to drink at least 2.5 liters to 3.7 liters in a day. And in general, females need to drink around 2 liters to 2.7 liters per 24 hours to remain healthy and fit. But remember that in general, you need to drink at least 3 liters on an average per day, and that is especially in the summer days. But in a winter day, you can drink at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water every day. Therefore, you need to drink at least 3 liters of water per day to remain healthy, to remain fit, and to remain active. And also you should know that when we take food, the water content in our food is around 20%, and especially when you take water containing vegetables and fruits like cucumber, strawberry, broccoli, and many other water containing fruits and vegetables. These fruits and vegetables are over 91% of water. These fruits and vegetables which contain water gives water to the body as well as gives very good fibrous nutrients to the body. Therefore, you have to take water containing vegetables, water containing fruits, especially in the summer days, so that you can remain well hydrated and you can remain active and fit, and you can do your activities of daily living happily and joyfully and productively. Now you also need to remember that there are long-term benefits of drinking water adequately, drinking water well. Studies have shown that if you drink adequate water, if you drink optimum level of water, you can reduce the chances of stroke. You can reduce chances of certain types of cancers, and you can also manage your diabetes very well if you drink sufficient or optimum amount of water daily. So now remember, no matter what, the idea is to replenish enough water, which you lose water in the form of sweats, in the form of urine, in the form of bowel movement. Therefore, please make it a point to drink enough water, optimum level of water, and at least 3 liters a day to remain healthy and fit. If you drink enough water, if you drink at least 3 liters of water, you will remain healthy, you will feel better, you will be able to think better, your mood will be better, and you will be able to joyfully carry out your activities of daily living. This you need to remember. If you don't drink enough water, there are many complications waiting for you and your health will suffer. Therefore, I hope you have remembered what I have told you today. So please take care and drink enough water, drink optimum level of water. And if you like this video, please like. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video regarding health and health issues, you will get the latest notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.